I've received a lot of questions about how I cut the factory Fender liner with this American Adventure Highline for the Rubicon or Sahara edition of the JLs 2018 and above. So I decided that I'd just do a close-up of this stuff and how I cut it so that you guys could see it after watching the install video. So here it is, real close. I attempted to make the cut along the fender as straight as possible and clean. It's kind of difficult, takes a little bit of time, and then I also wanted it to be uniform so that they look the same on both sides, which is a little bit difficult. Now as far as the liner goes, I did cut it along the frame, and it does hug in pretty well, and it doesn't flap around at highway speeds. And then I cut around the mounting position for the bracket along the frame, and then I tucked the liner into the backside of this Highline. So if I pull it down, it's pretty straightforward, and outside of that loop cut, it goes basically straight forward to the light, and then I cut it as you see here, leaving this old mounting position still in place so that it had a good clean edge to tuck into the backside of the light. Now where it tucks in is right in here, and you can see there's plenty of room to tuck it. And then all of this is tucked away clean. So let me do that real quick. It takes 2 hands, and then I'll show you again the after product. So it's all tucked in. It does stick down a little bit right here where it's not just straight up, but that's just because of the bend when it's tucked up on this backside and keeps it nice and tight. I haven't had any issues with it coming down or coming loose at all. But that's the after product when it's all tucked in, and overall I like it. I'm happy with it, and hopefully that gives you some insight as to how I cut that liner and kept it factory, at least for now. All right guys, thanks for stopping by.